What if I told you that right now, your body could be missing one tiny nutrient and you wouldn't feel it until the damage is already done? No loud warning, no flashing red light, just a slow, silent breakdown happening inside you. And here's the scary part. Your body cannot make many of the nutrients it desperately needs to survive. That means every single day, your health depends on what you put on your plate. Welcome to Mind and Body Education. If you care about your health, your energy, your brain, and your long-term future, make sure you subscribe right now, because what you're about to learn could completely change the way you look at food. Let's break this down in simple, clear terms. Your body runs on essential nutrients. Essential means your body cannot produce them in enough amounts, so you must get them from food. There are 5 major categories: macronutrients, micronutrients, water, fiber, and essential fatty acids. Miss one for too long and the system starts to fail. Let's start with the big ones. Macronutrients are nutrients your body needs in larger amounts. They provide energy and structure. These include proteins, fats, and carbohydrates, but today we're focusing on the ones your body cannot live without. First, protein. Protein isn't just about muscles, it's about everything. Your skin, your hair, your enzymes, your hormones, all built from protein. Proteins are made of amino acids. There are 20 total, but 9 of them are called essential amino acids. Why? Because your body cannot create them. They are histidine, isoleucine, leucine, lysine, methionine, phenylalanine, threonine, tryptophan, and valine. Here's something most people don't know. Protein building works on an all-or-nothing system. If even one essential amino acid is missing, the entire protein-building process stops. Imagine trying to build a house. You have bricks, cement, workers, but you're missing nails. The whole project freezes. If tryptophan is missing, for example, your body may actually start breaking down its own tissues just to get it. That's how serious this is. Animal foods like meat, eggs, and dairy contain all essential amino acids, but plant foods can work too if combined properly. Beans and corn together, for example, create a complete amino acid profile. Now let's talk about fats. For years, fat was blamed for everything, but here's the truth. Some fats are absolutely essential for survival. Your body cannot produce omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. These are called essential fatty acids. Omega-6 includes linoleic acid. Omega-3 includes alpha-linolenic acid. These fats are critical for your brain, your nerves, your cell membranes, and even inflammation control. And then there are 2 powerful forms of omega-3 called EPA and DHA. These are especially important for brain development and cognitive function. The best natural source? Fatty fish and seafood. Without these fats, your brain function, mood, and heart health can suffer. Now we move into micronutrients, and this is where things get even interesting. Micronutrients are needed in smaller amounts, but their impact is massive. They include vitamins and minerals. Let's start with vitamins. Vitamins are organic compounds your body needs to carry out essential chemical reactions. Most of them must come from your diet. They're divided into 2 groups: fat-soluble, vitamins A, D, E, and K, and water-soluble, the B-complex vitamins and vitamin C. Vitamin A supports vision, immune defense, and cell growth. The B-complex vitamins, and there are 8 of them, help convert food into energy. They support brain function, red blood cell production, and DNA synthesis. Without them, your energy crashes and your nervous system suffers. Vitamin C acts as a powerful antioxidant. It supports immunity, collagen production, and iron absorption. Vitamin D is unique. Your body can make it from sunlight, but many Americans are still deficient. Vitamin D controls calcium balance and protects your bones. Low levels are linked to weak immunity and fragile bones. Vitamin E protects your cells from oxidative stress. Vitamin K helps your blood clot properly and supports bone metabolism. Interestingly, some of it is produced by healthy gut bacteria. Now let's talk about minerals. Minerals are inorganic elements your body needs for structure and function. They're divided into macrominerals and microminerals. Macrominerals include calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, essential for strong bones, nerve signals, and muscle contraction. Sodium, potassium, and chloride control fluid balance and nerve impulses. Trace minerals are needed in smaller amounts but are just as vital. Iron carries oxygen in your blood. Zinc strengthens immunity and supports wound healing. Selenium supports thyroid health and acts as an antioxidant. Copper helps iron metabolism. Iodine is essential for thyroid hormone production. Chromium, manganese, molybdenum, and fluoride all support important metabolic processes. Even a small deficiency can slowly impact your energy, metabolism, or immune function. Now here's something many people overlook: water. Water is not just a drink, it is a nutrient. It regulates body temperature, transports nutrients, and allows every chemical reaction in your body to happen. Without adequate hydration, nothing works properly. And then there's fiber. Fiber isn't absorbed, but it feeds your gut bacteria, supports digestion, balances blood sugar, lowers cholesterol, and keeps you full longer. Yet most people in North America do not consume enough fiber daily. Now think about this. Modern diets are often high in calories, but low in essential nutrients. You can eat plenty of food and still be deficient. Nutrient deficiencies don't always show up immediately. Sometimes they appear slowly: fatigue, brain fog, weakened immunity, brittle hair, poor wound healing. Over time, deficiencies can contribute to serious health conditions. In certain situations, nutrient needs increase. During illness, stress, rapid growth, or recovery from surgery, your body may suddenly require more than it can produce. Some nutrients even become conditionally essential during stress. For example, amino acids like arginine and glutamine may become critical during severe illness. Your gut bacteria also play a role in nutrition. They can produce certain vitamins like vitamin K, showing that your microbiome is deeply connected to your nutrient status. So here's the big picture. Health is not just about calories, it's about nutrient density. It's about giving your body the exact building blocks it cannot make on its own. When you consistently provide essential nutrients from whole foods, lean proteins, colorful vegetables, fruits, whole grains, nuts, seeds, dairy, and seafood, your body functions the way it was designed to function. Energy improves, focus sharpens, immunity strengthens, aging slows. But when deficiencies creep in silently, problems follow. Now, I want to ask you something. Are you eating for fullness or for nourishment? Take a moment and think about your daily meals. Are you getting enough protein, enough omega-3 fats, enough fiber, enough vitamins and minerals? Let me know in the comments, what nutrient do you think you might be missing? And if you found this helpful, share this video with someone who cares about their health but may not understand what their body truly needs. Because real health doesn't start in the hospital, it starts in the kitchen. This is Mind and Body Education, where we break down complex science into simple, powerful knowledge you can actually use. Subscribe if you haven't already. Your body depends on what you feed it. And now, you know exactly what it's asking for.